Here I'm back with another activity. Color the insects and match with their shadow. So first they have to color the insect and then match the insect to their shadow. So first explain the toddler before starting the activity. What is the insect and what are all there in the insect category? Like they have antennas, they have 6 legs, and there will be always a smell associated with that, discussing smell with the insects. And if there is any dirt accumulated in the house or any place, the insects will accumulate and they spread the diseases. So what are all the other insects? Bees, ladybird, fruit flies, dragonflies, caterpillar, ants. These are all insects. So for now, this simple matching activity, the kid should first color and then match the shadow. Thank you.